In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade even odd in the new Deriv interface, okay? I know the new Deriv interface is confusing to a lot of people, but I'm here to provide all the guide that you need when navigating it. Now, when trading even odd in Deriv, what do you do and how do you go about it, okay? As you continue, guys, please ensure you check out our other videos on the interface. We have made a lot of videos for you. Just go to the description and search new Deriv interface. We have made all those videos for you there. They'll be able to provide a good guide for you, okay? So, for you to trade even odd in the new Deriv interface, first things first, you come and click here. Now, I know even before you continue wondering, what is this on the other side? Let us ignore that for a bit, okay? In fact, let me go to full screen, okay? Now, if you want to select even odd, now instead of always selecting your trade types up here, no, don't do it, okay? Basically, come and click on this. You see this small box icon? Click on it. Once you click on that icon, I want you to scroll to the bottom, be able to see even odd. Now, click on even odd. Once you click on even odd, this is what you'll see, all right? You'll be able to see this line chart, and you'll be able to see even and odd. Now, if you want to trade even, you just come and select even. You set your ticks, maybe one tick, and if you want to select your custom ticks, you can just come and select your custom ticks there. If you want to select the preset ticks, you can just come and select them there. And again, after that, now you come and select your stake, and if you have seen the market is even, you press buy. When you're trading odd, as you can see, we have odd. You can just come and select your duration, or you can preset it, and then you come and select your stake, 1 USD, 2 USD, 3 USD, 4 USD, and so on, and then maybe you buy based on how you've analyzed. Now, but I know now with this new interface, it is very confusing because how do I analyze? Based on what? What do I use to analyze? Because I told you guys again, in digits, we do not have candle charts in Deriv, all right? If you come and select candle, there is nothing. Now, if you are using numbers to the last digit numbers to analyze, it isn't there. If you're using digit circles, it isn't there. So how do we do it? So this is what you do. You minimize your screen here. So you ensure one part of your screen has this analysis tool, one part of your screen is on Deriv, all right? Now, for those who do not know how to do what I'm doing, is simple, just like this. So now, so as you can see, we have our Deriv interface. So once you open it, okay, I want you to minimize it by clicking on this icon. And then now I want you to open a website called dbtraders.com, dbtraders.com, as you can maximize my screen. Oh, no. Let me minimize that a bit. Okay, I think I'll do it. Okay, leave it. Okay, so basically go to our website called dbtraders.com. You see, like just this name here, but complete with .com. Okay, I'll also put that link in the description. Yeah, open it. Once you open it now, I want you to do this to the website. I want you to again to click on this icon on the website. As you can see, they will both be minimized. Now, I want you to stretch them to fit perfectly on your screen. So basically, you just pull down like this, right? And also ensure they fit perfectly. So ensure they are properly aligned like that. And then after that, now, this is time we trade. Again, as I've told you guys, if you want to change the trade type in Deriv, click on this box icon. Everything is there, okay? I know they changed it, but yeah, you can just access them there without any hassle, okay? Now, once you access them there and you want to trade even odd, and you're using this, for those who are using these digits that were there in the previous interface, there they are. If you're using digit circles, there they are. And again, if you want to use also this analysis tool here it is, okay? So don't be worried, don't be in a lot of trouble. Yeah, so you can do your trades on the official website while analyzing on various third-party websites available, but only analyze, okay? When it comes to trading, do your trades on the official website, okay? Yeah, basically, you can be using these analysis tools because they at least help you to analyze the market more comfortably as you have been used to without a lot of changes. Now, I know you're wondering, where's the red circle? Where's the green circle? What are these colors? Now, the green circle is this number with the green shade. The red circle is this number with the red shade. The blue circle is this number. Basically, the blue circle is the second most appearing, and the yellow and the yellow number here basically represents the second least appearing. Okay, but you only use the green and the red. The yellow and the blue, leave them alone. Okay, only use the green and the red. All right. Yeah, and basically now you can come and execute your trades, do analysis. When it comes to the analysis tool, ensure it is using 1000 ticks. Yeah, so basically you come and select the market you want to analyze. Let's say 25-1S. Once you select 25-1S, you come and analyze it. If it is a good even odd market, you'll just come here. Also set 25-1S on your side. All right. Okay, and analyze. So basically come and select 25-1S on your side and analyze. Okay. Yeah, for you those who want to learn how to go about how to access the Deriv bot in the new interface, the video will also be in our channel, so please ensure you check it out. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, just come and select, and if the market is good, you can proceed and to buy. If the market is also good for even, you proceed. Okay. Yeah, so you can be able to use these analysis tools. They're very nice, especially for their tools. but only do your trades on your website. Okay, and that is basically how you trade on the new Deriv interface without a lot of stress. Okay, any questions about this, please let me know down section. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please ensure you like and subscribe. And yeah, if you have any question, once again, please put it down in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp us. If you need good boards, good material, please ensure again you WhatsApp us. I'm appreciative and will be able to provide you with all the best material. Thank you guys for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one.